Hey babes, we're gonna jump right into this video as usual. I have my hair section off into like two different sections really. Have the middle part kind of parted in, as you can see, like, yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna be doing a braid straight down the middle going into a ponytail. So taking my ebon argan, what the heck is that? Taking my ebon edge control just to kind of, I guess, get some of the hair out of my way, and then we're gonna go ahead and put some of this on my roots to be able to just really sleek down this braid. Now, if you guys are wondering, I have 4C, 4B type of hair, do have some heat damage going on, it's all over the place, but guess what, y'all? I am not doing a big chop. Like, I don't care what you say at this point, I'm not gonna do it. I was contemplating for a while, but you know what? It's not happening. But what is happening is a cornrow tutorial will be coming up really soon. I'm gonna be doing some feed-in braids, so I'll show you how to do like a quick cornrow, and then of course like how to do the feed-in braids. So if you are not subscribed already, make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. If you don't know where that is, there is a bell beside the subscribe button. Go ahead and click that and you'll be notified every time I post. So now that you have your braid done, I'm gonna go ahead and take out my sections. I've already like conditioned my hair. This was like the night before. I just allowed it to kind of like air dry, and of course put it in some leave-in conditioner. I believe it was my Aussie Moist Deep Conditioning leave-in conditioner, but I think it's like $3 at the store, y'all. I'm obsessed with Aussie Moist. Their products work flawlessly on my hair, so yep, definitely make sure to go out to the store and pick that up. And then I'm just smoothing over some edge control just all throughout my hair. And yeah, I kind of felt like this was a lot of product for me to have just washed my hair, so this kind of became pointless. But you can definitely get away with this style for about 3 days. So I would consider this a protective style because your hair doesn't necessarily have to be like, you know, blow dried or any heat applied to it or anything like that. Now, if you guys caught that real quick, I did attempt to use like a regular brush. As you can see, that was a little struggle, so it made it a little bit easier just to go through with a big paddle brush, then the pink brush, and then the comb. So once you get everything detangled, it should actually be really easy to just smooth through your hair. Now, my hair is fairly thick, so like I said, I definitely wanted to just kind of smooth these sides out, and I'm leaving out a little bit of baby hair just to be able to kind of, this is not baby hair, y'all. This is grown adult hair, but nevertheless, I'm leaving that out to be able to smooth down my ponytail and just kind of really shape it to my liking. So once I kind of get that smooth for the most part, I did go ahead and take one of my clips just to kind of get everything out of the way until I'm ready to put it in a nice tight bun. So if you missed that, I'm going to go ahead and do this again on the other side. Y'all, let me know how y'all feel about my makeup. So I woke up, I was trying to do this like cute little greenish look, and it did not come out the way I intended. But yeah, I hope you like it anyway. It's kind of giving me AKA vibes. No, I'm not an AKA, I'm not a Delta, I'm none of that. I wish I was. I wish I was. But anyway, so as you can see, I'm smoothing down this other side. Now, this braid in the middle is completely optional. You could have done one on the side. You could have done 2, 3. You remix this hairstyle however you see fit. If you guys have not heard before, my goal in all of my videos is to just kind of give you direction of what to do with your hair, especially if your hair looks like mine. Like, let's be real. Everybody went natural, but everybody did not remain natural and heat free. So if you're dealing with heat damage and you don't know what to do with your hair, your texture is all over the place, you're tired of twist outs, these videos will definitely help you. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I always enjoy making them. I do get up really early to do these videos because I try to do my hair before work, so this just kind of works out. Now for scrunchies, I know your hair is really thick, so you're like, Chrissy, what do I use, right? I take my headbands, the really thick one, you know, I use headbands, I kind of wrap around like basketball headbands, right? And I use that to double it twice, so that always keeps my hair in place like no other. And then just to kind of go over my edges, of course, I have the edge control already there, which this crap holds my hair down seamlessly, right? And just to kind of make sure that everything locks into place, I did go ahead and take my Cream of Nature, I believe, what gel was that? Y'all saw it. I cannot think of the name of, that's not Cream of Nature gel. What is that? I can't think of it right now, but y'all know, all right? All naturals know. Anyway, so this is the basis of the ponytail. Really smooth. Everything is going straight to the back. Then I have this thick behind ponytail. So as you can see, I'm just actually going to split that into 2 and do 2 little plaits. What are plaits? Braids. Duh. You knew that. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and braid that on down. Now, y'all, check out my nails. If y'all have not taken a look, take a look. A closer look. No, seriously. I need your face to the screen. I actually have on press-ons. Let me know if y'all press-ons. That was so country. Let me know if you want to see a video on that because these look so freaking cute. Anyway, the hair I'm going to be using is Yolissa hair. If you missed it, I just put my hair in a little bun with a little pin, and that was pretty much it. It is their water wave hair, can't talk, and I'm just literally going to go ahead and wrap this around my bun. If you guys don't know, I am the queen of cheating ponytails, so I don't want to see any ponytails with all that glue and stuff like that on it. It's completely unnecessary, simply for the fact that my ponytails don't last longer than 3 days anyway. I would borderline say 2. It's completely pointless. So I go ahead and use my hair as the bulk of the inside of these low ponytails because it's just easy to cover. Now when you do the top knots, that's a whole nother conversation. But nevertheless, I have the ponytail on there. If you need to play that back to see exactly how I did it, definitely check that out. I just used one end, secured around the base of my ponytail, wrap and wrap and wrap and wrap, double the tracks, and once you get to the end, you continue to do the same thing. So in order to kind of hide where the track band is at the base of my ponytail, I did take a chunk of the hair off the bottom area, and I did go ahead and actually braid that into a plait, or you know, a single braid, and just wrapped it around the base and secured it with a hairpin. So this hairstyle was really fun, quick and easy. I am going to go ahead and add just a little bit of jewelry. You can go ahead and add like one of those hair hoops. You can add as many or as few of these as you want. I actually considered doing the bobby pins on the side, and then I realized, like, okay, now we're getting a little too tribal, and Chrissy, you doing way too much. Okay, so definitely give this video a thumbs up. Let me know how you feel about it. It is a quick and easy protective style. When you don't know what to do with your hair, you have an old bundle, a new bundle, and you just want to switch it up a little bit, definitely try this out. Leave any comments or questions down below, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. I do these little mini videos on there also. I do a little bit of dancing, or not. Anyway, definitely make sure to comment Sunflower Gang. Let me know if you guys want to see the giveaways come back, because I used to do giveaways on each and every one of my videos in the comment section. So let me know how you feel about it, y'all. These dancing skills are dead. Okay. I cannot. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you next time. Bye.